Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by using the account that owns Game Pass. Sign in and confirm the subscription is active. Next, make that account the console's home Xbox so the pass can be shared. This is the single switch that enables others on the same console to play. Once done, add the second account to the console if it isn't there already. Make sure both accounts are updated and signed in so permissions propagate immediately and you can move to installing games. With Home Xbox set, install the games you want while signed into the primary account. This ties licenses to the console. Then sign into the second account and open the library or purchase list to see accessible Game Pass titles. If a game doesn't appear, navigate to the primary account's install page and initiate installation. Game files and licenses live on the console, so the second account will use them. Also confirm storage permissions, and finally, verify that both accounts can launch and play the installed games. Test a short session on the secondary account to confirm licensing. If something fails, sign both accounts out, then back in to force a license refresh, and make sure the Game Pass owner's subscription hasn't lapsed. If that still fails, power cycle the console or restart your router to clear network authorization caches. One key tip: double-check the Home Xbox setting. It's the most common cause when sharing doesn't work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.